Hello everybody, I'm Jean Stevens. Like many of you, I've been making masks during this coronavirus crisis. We've had a crisis of our own to making masks because we've run out of elastic and sources of elastic. I've used 1/4 inch elastic, 2/3 inch elastic until it was all gone. A friend got me some, used that up. I've gone through all the bias tape I have. I've got the ponytail holders to make these for the ear loops. Well, you can't find ponytail holders very easily. I've used cord. That got all used up. And so I was running out of options, and then I remembered that I had some knee-high stockings in one of my drawers. And I had the whole box in there, so I took it out and I thought, that's elastic, let's see what we can do. So I took it out, and this is how I came up with how to make the loops using knee-high stockings. You've got your knee-high stocking, the whole stocking here. So I cut off the top part, which is this part right here, and I cut off the toes, which is this part down here. Then I took the middle part and cut it into 4 equal pieces. So now I have the loops for one mask and the loops for another mask. Now the package that I had 10 pair of stockings in it, so you can imagine how many you can get out of each package. You can get those at Walmart or Target, anywhere. So then I took each one of these little pieces and opened it and rolled it up into a little circle like this one. See, I've already got 2 of them done. So I did all the pieces like that. Okay, that's the second step. Now then, what I did, I took each one of these little round loops and cut it in half. So now I got this. All right, so move those over. Now I'm going to show you how I put them into the mask. I take a loop, unloop, put it in the corner just like you would put your elastic. Secure it with a pin. Then take the other end. Before you secure it though, be sure and roll it a bit like this. Then pull it into the corner. Put your second layer here on top. And then you secure it with a pin as well. So you do this and you secure it. You do the other side as well. Take your corner here, your little end, secure it in the corner of your fabric there, and put your second layer on top and secure it. Bring it over to the other side. Be sure and roll it a little bit. And secure it. What I do then is I will go to the machine and tack it back and forth here in each one of the corners, just to be sure that it is nice and tight and that it won't come out. It sews real well and rather easily. So you do your 4 corners, and then you just proceed to close up your mask like you would naturally. So I've got a finished mask right here, one that I've done, with the loops. These loops are soft and stretchy, so they won't hurt or cause abrasion to your ears like the elastic does. And so I'm going to demonstrate using the loops. They're easy and very comfortable to wear, and I hope this tutorial has been beneficial to you. Thank you and good luck making masks.